Welcome to our video on the L'Or Barista Coffee and Espresso System. If you love the taste of barista-style coffee or espresso, then you'll definitely want to stick around. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at this innovative coffee system and show you how to make the perfect cup of coffee or espresso every time. The L'Or Barista Coffee and Espresso System is a must-have for any coffee lover who enjoys the convenience of making their favorite coffee drinks at home. This system is designed to deliver the same quality of coffee you would find in your favorite coffee shop, but from the comfort of your own kitchen. One of the standout features of the L'Or Barista System is its sleek and modern design. It will not only look great on your kitchen counter, but it is also incredibly easy to use. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes it simple to choose from a variety of coffee and espresso options, and you can even customize the strength and size of your drink to your liking. The L'Or Barista System uses a unique capsule system that is specially designed to deliver the perfect cup of coffee or espresso every time. The capsules are made from aluminum, which ensures the freshness and quality of the coffee is preserved until it is brewed. The system is also compatible with both L'Or Espresso and Nespresso capsules, giving you even more options to choose from. Another great feature of the L'Or Barista System is its milk frother. With just a touch of a button, you can create perfectly frothed milk for your cappuccinos, lattes, and more. The milk frother is easy to clean and can be detached from the system for convenience. And that concludes our video on the L'Or Barista Coffee and Espresso System. We hope you found this introduction helpful and informative. If you're a coffee lover who enjoys a barista-style coffee or espresso, then the L'Or Barista System is definitely worth checking out. With its sleek design, ease of use, and variety of coffee options, you'll be able to enjoy a high-quality cup of coffee or espresso from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching.